Welcome back to the channel, everybody. In this video I will be explaining, well, a couple things. One, explaining why I have not been uploading, and two, today we are delivering horse manure, and I'll explain some more of that. This is 10 bucket loads of horse manure that we're going to be selling. So yeah, let's get into the video. We're going to drop it off at a customer's house that wants 10 yards. We're here.
Good morning. How
We're
you
here.
doing? I'm Jim. You must be Mary.
Alright. So right now I'm gonna go undo the tarp, and it's raining, so I got my raincoat on. It's been raining for the past like 4 days because there was a storm in Louisiana. It's passing through here, so we're getting the aftermath of it. So yeah, this is 10 buckets of a 64-inch bulkhead bucket, 5 yards, 10 buckets. So I'm gonna set y'all up on tripod, see where she wants it, and then undo the tarp and dump it. And then I think after we dump this, we're gonna go get horse manure from that guy, if it's not too muddy over there. So I don't know. Yesterday we got 2 loads, so we'll see. Or no, 1 load yesterday. Sorry, we got 1 load yesterday, and yeah. So the tractor's over there at the farm, not our house, but the other farm. So yeah. So I'm gonna undo the tarp real quick, and then we're gonna do it. You won't want issue.
Dylan, we're going to back up and we're going to dump it right here. The guy will be back there.
And Venmo the same number that...
I have cash down. I don't have Venmo, but I can...
Alright. So it's gonna go in this area.
Oh, yeah.
So on this load for 10 scoops of horse manure for this lady, we were selling it to her for $150. That's including the time, the tractor expenses, trailer maintenance, or trailer, truck, gas, and all that. So, and then time to load it and come out here and drop it off. It's about 20 minutes away from our house, so not too bad, but yeah. Let me guide him back. Oh, also, my grandfather and me started a side business as to selling horse manure, compost. I'll leave a link down in the description to his Facebook Marketplace page, his phone number, email, and his Craigslist thing. I don't know if he has a Craigslist one, but I know he has a Facebook Marketplace. And on there, he explains what we do with our soil, what you can do with the soil, and how much the prices are, and what locations we sell it to. So go, if you want horse manure, compost, anything like that, go check him out. This good right here? Or you want it back more? Come up a little. That good? Alright, so I'm gonna do the tarp and lift it. Right. No, hold on. Okay, so we're at the lady's yard and we're dumping. This trailer is a 7 foot wide by 14 foot long dump trailer. Our sides are 3 foot tall. Go! And it can lift up to 10,000 pounds, so or 5 tons. Yeah.
Say no or go?
No, go!
Yeah, go.
All right.
Yeah, we gave you a little extra.
Okay, now to let it down.
Give all my customers a little extra.
Now to put the tarp up.
Well, this might definitely.
I know it will definitely help. I know
For sure.
when it stops raining, I'll show you some pictures of my own yard where I used it.
Yeah.
And my daughter lives in the house in front of us, and along her driveway never could get grass to grow. And I just took this with about 6 foot from the edge of the driveway and just lined it about this thick.
Okay.
And
That's all it
just
does.
like that. And what happens is this grass will come, it'll pop through it. And this, where it's bad, it decomposes even more when you walk on, just like that.
Yeah.
It compacts down right into the soil.
Yeah.
I would. No. If anything, when it's muddy and wet like this, if you just took your mower, like this little that plant, don't mind. If you just do this, you round your mower. Like right now, when it's this wet, your mower won't make it in the truck, make much damage. It's not, it'll be really hard. And you just sprinkle it like this, and believe it or not, this grass, rain grass will start coming through, and all these little spots come, and another.
Now, I don't know if we're gonna go to the horse manure place, but if we do, I'll see you over there. If we don't, see you back at the house. Quick $150. Alright guys, so we actually decided to come to the farm to that guy's place and get horse manure, but I didn't get recording this load because it's too, it was raining way too hard. I mean, as you can see, it's just muddy all over. I managed to get 17 buckets in this one. Has got a generator going so it can be charging. I tarped it at 17. So I gotta go, or we're gonna go dump this. I'm gonna try to record that again. If it's not too muddy, I will. But I mean, as you can see, just right here, it's just muddy. So sorry, I'm having to chain this back. Okay. So yeah, that's why I didn't get recording. So, but I'm gonna try to record this next, or me emptying it and loading the next one if we come back and get one. So, see you guys at our house. All right, guys, don't mind my hair, but we're back at the farm. I'm gonna undo the tarp and we're gonna dump, and then this time we're gonna go back down to the house and I'm gonna get the magnet waterproof case for the camera, so I can stick y'all in the tractor while I'm loading. That's if we go back for another load. So this time y'all can watch me load the truck. So. All right. And as you can see, it is super muddy right now. Super muddy. Like, extremely muddy. But you know what? We got an expert driver. We got about a 12-ton load. Nothing that, or not a 12-ton, 12,000 pound load. I think we can, I know we can do it. Oh, he's slipping. See that tire? Come on. Come on. Yeah, look at all this mud. Alright, let's dump. Mother Nature, don't get my camera wet.
Good.
See, you wanna know why? The reason why that stuff is steaming, y'all are probably wondering why, is because when horse manure is decomposing, or anything's decomposing really, it traps heat and it builds up heat. It's like mulch, for an example, there and there. When you see smoke coming out of there, it's just heat, because when the horse manure is decomposing, it turns into heat, or it traps heat, and that's how it decomposes. So, and I know my hair's bad, but I'm gonna go get a hat after this, along with that magnetic waterproof case. I'm using a Hero 3 Plus until I get a new camera, so it's not the newest one, but I gotta make it last until I can afford a new camera. Alright, I'll see you guys at the farm if we're going back for another one. I'm almost positive we are, but I'll see you there. Alright, so we're down at the house. Me, my grandfather are gonna go take a lunch break, or at least he is. I'm gonna eat a little bit too. Oh, excuse me, I had a burp. But let's see here. I want to show you something. We got chickens. So we got 4 chickens, 3 hens, and 1 rooster. Hen is a girl, and a rooster is a male. We have, I believe the hen, or the mom is, oops, sorry. I believe the mom is 2 years old, 3 years old. So here they are. That one is the mom. That's the rooster. And then those are the 2 babies. This is their situation right now, unfortunately. I know it's not the best, but guys, we're working on it. As soon as it stops raining, we're gonna make a better place for them. So, yeah. I know this ain't the best for them, but watch this. Look. So we use mealworms, select treats for chicken. We give them a treat. I like to give them just a little bit of this every day, just that much. Watch this. Watch how quick they eat it. And then, let me see here. So that back there is their food, and then that's their water. I'm thinking about hanging the water thing because they keep getting dirt in it. So yeah, so right now I'm gonna I'm opening the gate. I'm gonna what do you call it? Sorry, I'm having brain farts right now, guys. I'm gonna go take their food and I'm gonna refill it, because clearly they went through it quickly already. And I like to make a mixture of my own. So watch out, guys. Come on now. Let me see if they got any more eggs. Move, chicken. You got any more eggs? Ooh, I about stepped in poop. Chicken poop. Let's see. Alright. So this is their house, and all of this was free. So 1 egg. It looks to be It appears to be that they got a lot of poop. So tomorrow I'm gonna have to come out here and clean it. But yeah, this is their water. See how they got it dirty again? Hi guys. And then they, for some reason, like to cover their thing up. So when they do that, and I go to refill it, I just take this and do that to get all the nasty stuff out. Then I put it right back where it was so they know where it's at. Same goes with the water, so they know where the water is every time. So, yeah. So now, we're going to feed them. Let's feed our chickens, guys. So, I like to tell them that I'm taking this away from them. So, I got the thing right here. Now, we have feed. We got cracked corn. Hold on, let me put y'all out here. This will be a lot easier. Okay. Alright, now they all out here. Okay, so we got a couple feed things. We got one cracked corn. It's basically legit corn. Now, watch this. When I give it to them, watch how quick they eat it up. Well, they're not eating it quick today. Huh. Here, let me give them a little bit more. There. Yeah. So, that's the cracked corn we give them. And then, time for the feed. Now, for the feed, we use, we just started using this. Please tell me the feed did not get wet. Okay, it didn't. Alright. Did it? No, it didn't. Okay, good. For the feed, we use this. I know it's upside down, but you can't really see it. But this is, Leyena Omega 3. Apparently it helps them produce more eggs in a day or something like that because they got more nutrition. I don't really know, but you know, that's just kind of the deal. So I got this little scooper and I just basically scoop some in. Now, I will admit is that I am not good at chicken farming. And what I mean by that is I am not good at, like, knowing how to take care of them. So, if y'all don't mind, if anybody watches my channel, or if anybody that watches my channel knows a lot, or at least a little about chickens that can help me out, please leave a comment down below telling me, like, what I could do to improve. Because, like, I know one thing is expanding their, having a run, like a little pathway, having grass so they can eat on their own time. Because, like this right now, they've been living in this for about a week now. So, yeah. And then, yeah, but, sorry, I'm having brain farts, guys. I don't know why. But if y'all, like I said earlier, if y'all don't mind leaving comments down below about as to how to take care of chickens, or anything like that, like what I should do differently that y'all can see right now, I would really appreciate it because I honestly want to make their lives better than what they were living in before, because it was not the best, and believe it or not, this is better than what they were living in originally. But we're trying our best here. But like if y'all have different food or snacks or treats or anything like that, different like containers, or I don't know, I've never been a chicken farmer, I've never owned chickens before, so yeah, if y'all don't mind commenting down below as to how to take care of them better or stuff like that, that would be really appreciated and helpful. And then also we got this Hydro Hen. Hydro Hen 3-in-1 has probiotics, electrolytes, in acid fryers. Makes 22 1-gallon servings. Drinking water, we've been putting this in every time we refill their water thing, fresh water, which is what they're drinking out of right now. So, and then we also have this. I have not used this yet because I don't know how. It says food chemical codex grade. I don't know if I'm supposed to put it in their food. I feel like it's a dumb question or something like that. But I don't know how to use this yet. So if anybody down in the comments has used this, it is food chemical codex grade Red Lake Earth. Here it is. I would be more than likely or more than glad to hear y'all's things as to how to use this. I mean, I would assume that you just put it in their feed. I mean, look. It's a powder, but I mean, I don't know. So yeah, let's feed them one more time. A little bit of their treats, just for the camera. Alright, that's enough. So yeah. Now, I will admit, I have something to admit, is that I've never caught a chicken. So, I've never actually caught one. Tried to catch one. I mainly, cause I've I guess you could say I've never done it before. So I'm in a way kind of scared. But I don't know if that's just me or if anybody else out there. I just don't realize the camera ain't even facing me while I'm talking. My bad, guys. But if anybody out there knows how to catch chickens and there is a specific way to do it, please tell me. So, yeah. But yeah, that one's the mama rooster, child 1 and child 2. Oh, I have no names for them. So if anybody in the comments down there wants to name them, I got a rooster and he's named, and 3 hens. Need a mother name and 2 child names. So, yeah. And no, these chickens will never be killed unless they die from old age. We will never kill them. We're only using them for their eggs. So, yeah. Enjoy, guys. Love you guys. Alright. Oh, wait. I forgot to put their feeder back in there. Oh no. This time I'm just going to set it right there. Mainly because I don't want to undo that again. But, yeah. Have a good time, guys. So we're going to take lunch. I'm going to go back in the house and eat. And then we'll be back to the farm. See you guys when we go to get more horse manure. Also, tell Mother Nature to stop raining. It's getting on my nerves. I'll see you guys later. Alright, back at the farm. How much the load this time? We got horses going crazy. I don't know what's going on. But, yeah, we're back here. Brantley's playing with the dog. He decided to come with us this time. These horses are following me. Yes, it's a little muddy. But, sorry for the wind noise. There's a lot of wind noise, but I can't help it. But there's a lot of mud. Sorry I didn't get to see you, or you didn't get to see the load last time. You're good, come on! Horses are in the way. But yeah, this is where we've been taken from. This is as much as we've gotten from this place. Just that little bit. So, I'm getting a call. 8800 number, no answer. Sorry, but yeah, we're back here at the farm. We're gonna get back in truck up on the tractor. get y'all set up on the roof right there, so y'all can watch me. Enjoy. much recording that got, because I just realized that my camera's messed up, but we're heading back to the healthy stuff. You hear that noise? I think we got a hole. But let's that's not important right now. After we dump this, I'm gonna explain a little bit of what's been going on around the farm. But first we gotta dump this. Whoa, hey, come back. Alright, one more load. You ready? Alright, that's a last, I believe last load. Well, maybe not, because right now, after I let this down, my grandfather has to go in the house to do, talk to the, or get a price estimate and measurements for a fence job we're doing in Lake Jackson, here in Georgia, and that's going to be a video coming out, so stay tuned for that. We're doing that tomorrow, so we're having the lumber delivered because we need, I can't remember how much exactly, but no, it's a lot. So yeah, we're going to be going to Lowe's to talk to them about having to let them deliver it, and then I think we're going back to get one more load, maybe one more load, and then going to get the tractor and bring it home. So let's go. I'll see you guys when we get to Lowe's. Alright guys, so we went to Lowe's, we got that straight. They wouldn't let me record because there's no recording allowed, but got that straight. What day are we gonna start? Saturday we're starting fencing. So now we're off to get one more load of horse manure, and then we're gonna bring the tractor back home. Got back to the farm and hold on, let me get in the trailer while you're backing up. I have to roll the tarp up. Alright, we just got to the farm. Alright, we just got back to the farm. While he's backing up, I'm gonna roll the tarp up. So this will be our final load today. We've gotten, I believe, 3 loads of horse manure today, or I should say compost, and this will be our last one. After this one, I'm gonna load this one, and then we're gonna go empty it at our place, and then we're gonna come back and get the tractor. So yeah, and then we'll be done. So let's go. Time to set the camera up and then go live. Alright, so we're gonna dump it right there, but before he gets in all that mud, I'm gonna undo the doors. So, let's go.
Come on.
Oh yeah, here is our pond. Right here. Or will be a pond. This stuff right here is 2019 topsoil, which was that barrier over there where that other one is right now. These trees are the stuff we cut down from Conyers' house. Good? It's horse poop and urine. So I'm gonna set y'all down to watch this, and then I'm gonna let it down and then finish video off. Go! Yeah. Alright! Whoa. Yeah, I'd say that pile had a little bit more. Yeah, I'd say my pile that I just had a little bit more. Huh?
Generator to it.
2? Alright guys, so I'm gonna end the video now. So because it's getting dark, and when it's dark that means y'all can't see, and if y'all can't see there's no footage to be filmed. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Sorry I have not been uploading. Another video about why I have not been uploading will be uploaded soon after this. So but the main reason why I have not been uploading, just a little short caption, is because I have been busy with work, school, well now that I'm on the summer, but not so much school, but work and scouts. I've been on 3 camping trips. One recently was a week long, another one was a weekend long, another one was a weekend long. So I've just been really busy and have not been able to really film. So I apologize, but from now on I'm gonna try to do my best to upload a lot, or at least more than I am right now. So at least 2 videos a week. That's my goal. I'm trying my hardest. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, And please turn on post notifications so you can be notified every time I upload. It helps me out when y'all leave a comment and subscribe to me. Really helps me out, and I really appreciate it to all of you that have done it so far. I know that's not many of you, but I just started this channel, and I'm grateful for every single one of you that have. So I'm gonna finish this. We're gonna get a tractor and bring it home, and then we're done for the night. See you guys in the next one. I'm out.